All right. So we're going to take a poll and let's look at the questions because we're going to discuss the poll results using accountable talk. So would you have, and I just want you to think about this. Remember, it's your opinion. There's no right or wrong answer. Would you have rather lived in, number one, the New England colonies with the Puritans who had a lot of rules and only one religion, or the middle colonies, which we just read about, with the Quakers who were peaceful and had many different religions or churches? All right, so I want you to just kind of take some think time. Would you rather lived in New England with the Puritans or the middle colonies with the Quakers? After the poll results, we're going to use these accountable talk stems to see if we either agree or disagree with someone's answer, right? And this is how we can use respectful talk for discussions. So if you agree with someone's answer, you can use something like, I agree because. My idea is like, you could say Colby's idea. I feel the same way because. I agree, and I can also tell you that, right? Kind of going to add on. I used to think that, but now I think. Or of course, if you disagree, I kindly disagree because I hear what you're saying, but I think. What do you think? Why do you think that? And can I tell you my thinking and how I got my answer? So we're going to kind of try and use some of these stems after we get the poll results to discuss our thoughts and feelings on either the New England colonies or the Puritan. So you've got a minute and 15 seconds to kind of punch your answer in. And remember, it's what you feel. It's not right or wrong. Would you have rather lived in the New England colonies with the Puritans who had lots of rules and only one religion, kind of everyone was the same, or the middle colonies with the Quakers who were peaceful and had lots of different religions? Remember, there is no right or wrong answer. And then we'll kind of use those accountable talk stems to discuss.
Miss Cathcart,
Yes.
I might have not been in most of the slides because my doctor rolled next to me and kind of said
Okay.
I get my wire
We've
from
got about
my
20
headphone
seconds.
untangled.
About 20 seconds. And on the next slide, I'm going to pull up that accountable STEM poster. All right. And just for giggles, I'm going to put one. All right. All right, let's share out the results. All right, I'm going to share out the results. Oh, interesting. So a little over half of you chose the middle colonies with the Quakers, and a few of you chose the New England colonies with the Puritans. And a couple of you did not answer. Okay. All right, so
which one did you pick, Miss Cathcart?
I picked the New England colonies, and let's get this started. So Colby, I'm going to ask you, I've got the accountable talk stems up there. All right, Colby, which did you choose? Did you choose the New England colonies or the middle colonies?
Middle.
Now, why did you choose the middle colonies?
Because I would rather not be bossed around.
Right, because the Puritans did have a lot of rules, right? And they kind of only accepted Puritans. Now, is there anyone who agrees with Colby? All right, I see.
I agree.
Arius hand. Let's try and use these accountable talk stems.
I agree.
I would rather live in the middle colonies because I don't want to be forced on plantation and eat.
Yep. So I heard you. I'm sorry, we got a little disrupted. So I love how you said I agree because. Oh, Eric. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I was like, what? I agree because I don't want to get forced on a plantation just to work because they're being lazy.
Okay, so right, and so now we're kind of thinking about maybe some of the information from the southern colonies. So is there anyone else who also either agrees or disagrees, right? That they'd want to live in the middle colonies, right? So, and I love how Ari said, I agree because, right? So she's agreeing with Colby. Let me hear from, I saw Jeremiah. Now, did you agree or disagree with Colby and Ari?
Disagree.
Okay, so let's see. So I disagree because,
I disagree because the middle region said it had peaceful, so I would want to live in the peaceful region that had no harm.
so Colby said she wants to live in the middle colonies. So would you also prefer to live in the middle colonies?
Oh yeah, I thought she meant the New England.
No, that's okay. So let's fix that. So so I agree with Colby or I disagree?
I agree.
Beautiful, right?